Gaines here. So I finally got my resistance bands. These unbreakable resistance bands. We're just going to do an unbox and see what's inside. See what everything's in here. Okay, so we got the looks like the door anchor and what needs to go with that. First we've already got the bands and what it says. Let's get back in here. Okay, so we got the handles here. Okay, cool. It already comes with clips, so you don't have to buy any clips. That's cool. Of course, your handles here move. That's cool. Okay. So here's the bands. Let's see. You should show the weight on it. Okay. Okay, on this side it does. So this yellow one is let's put it upside down. This yellow one's 10 pounds. This blue one's 20 pounds. This green one's 30. This black one is 40. And this red one's 50. Which combined will be 90, 121, 150 pounds resistance total, which is awesome. That's pretty sweet. Okay, so this will go behind your door. It's an anchor, and then your resistance bands will go through it, so it'll look like this. Let's say this is the door, and this is what's on your side. What's going to happen is you got your resistance band here. It's going to go through this right here, loop around, and connect to your handle. So this right here would be 50 pounds resistance on your door. That's pretty sweet. These can go on your ankles or your arms. Basically, it's just Velcro. You can actually use it if you wanted to as a handle. Let me see. Let me make sure. It'll be a little bit different. Mainly they use these for your ankles for a little leg workout. But overall, I am happy. So you'll be seeing a lot of workouts using these specific bands. That's it. Hello guys, Shane's Gaines here. So a simple tutorial or explanation on how to actually use the bands on your door. So your anchor will go behind the door, leaving out this little pocket to put your bands through. Now you can get different angles with this, so you can put it above your door hinge here, or there. So for this demonstration, it'll be in the middle. So what you're going to do is, you see I got one hooked already and one that needs hooked. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna drive it through that pocket, like so, okay? And then you're gonna hook it on here. And that's it. Super, super easy, super easy. And then from then on, see, you can actually, no problem. And apparently these are not supposed to snap or break, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just pretty sweet. So that's it. That's very, very simple. Very, very simple. You just put the anchor through whichever hand you want it on. Loop it through the little pocket here it has. And make sure you clip your handles here, and you're good to go.